Hello everyone, make two bunches and split the front one into two and make the back one go to the front. Repeat the same by having a strip of hair at the back. Repeat it again for 4 times and have a rub band and make a braid at the bottom. Split your hair into two sections and on the top section make a bunch and the bottom section divide that into two and start braiding it. Pinch the braid a little bit for a loop-like design and straighten the bunch using a bun maker and roll it to the top. Form a circle and complete a circle by hiding the air and decorate it. Create a bunch and have a beautiful hair tie and secure the bunch. Then have a top section of the ponytail a little bit and braid it in a thin manner. In the bottom section, braid it in a very thick manner and pinch the braids out. Then combine both the braids to a common brow band. Wash your hair, have it ready and come back. Create 5 bunches, being the middle one the largest. Split that into 2 and braid all of them. Combine 2, 3 and 4, 5 together and the bottom combine 3, 4. Then combine the first 2 and 5, 6 as well. Divide your hair into 2 sections and the bottom section make ponytails and combine them into a triangular net-like shape like this. So move the ponytails to the top and combine the braid into a swell manner and have a hair tie. Drop a lovely ribbon on top of your hair and divide your hair into 3 sections and start braiding your hair along with the ribbon with the middle section of the hair. Now complete the braid and continue the braiding with the bottom section of the hair. Make the braids go across each other and secure it with the ribbon. Straighten your bunch using a bun maker and roll it from bottom to top and secure it on the top position. Then swirl it over, forming a circle and complete the shape. Have a beautiful bun cover. Divide your hair into 3 sections and the middle section make it 2 parts and have hair ties. Decorate the ties with a lovely hair clutches. Then at the back side make a ponytail and twist it, have a braid and have your hair clutcher. Split your hair into 2 sections and insert a bun maker into the top part of the ponytail and twist it along with that. Then make a swirl clockwise and completely stuff the tips inside the bun we created. Then have 2 more ponytails and braid them at the bottom. Thank you guys for watching this video.